Hey everybody, welcome back. It is your Natural Nail Guru, and today we have another amazing product review. So it is another beautiful review day and we are testing out some more products. So with that said, before we get into detail, if you guys want to be up to date with the most thorough review nail products out there, and if you want to have all the tips on how to improve your nail health and grow those nails so that they never stop growing, this is the channel that you want to stay tuned into. So if you haven't already, subscribe. Just do it. You're watching the video, go ahead and click that little button because there's more to see and more to learn. Make sure that you're liking and sharing with all your fellow nail enthusiasts because it's information that whether you're a DIY or professional, it's info that's going to help you out and help your clients out. So thank you so much everyone in advance. I do appreciate it. Now let's not waste any more time and get back to this review. Today I'm testing out Nail Addict. It is a product based out of LA in California. It is a vegan, cruelty-free product, which is really, really great. I'm going to be testing out their gel polish top coats. I have matte clear coats, so we're going to be testing all of that. Now, to recap really quickly what it is that I look for when I'm testing out products. I'm looking for overall first impression, which includes the smell, which includes consistency, and which includes what the manicure looks like after it's originally done, that first day. What's it looking like? Is it really nice and shiny, or is it really matte if it's supposed to be matte? Now, we don't just stop there. First impressions are great, but I want to see what this product looks like after a couple of weeks of wear. So I have 3 different manicures out there that are testing out the product, including mine. And throughout these 3 clients, each one of them are going about their normal day. I have nurses, I have a new mom-to-be, and then I have me in the shop with the acetone and the alcohol and doing all this stuff. So we really go hard in making sure that we're putting these nails to the test every single time that we're testing out a product. And as always, I compare it with my standard, with my constant, which is gelish. So one hand is always what I normally do, the other hand is the product that we test out. Now let's not waste any more time and let's go over our first impressions for this product. All right, so we are going to be trying out Nail Addict's products. I'm going to be using their base coat, their top coat, and I also have their matte top coat. I will likely use both glossy and matte. And then I got 2 of their colors. This one's Paradise Fiesta and Lucky Bamboo. I'm always looking for like the off shades of yellows and greens because they're not that easy to find. And of course, as always, I'm going to be comparing it to my trusty gelish. So I'm going to be doing my own nails on this one. I'll be doing Nail Addicts on my left hand, and I'll be doing the gelish on my right hand. And their colors definitely inspired a super cute, fun manicure. So let's not waste any more time. So I already have my nails prepped. They're buffed. They're ready to go. This is, let me double check. This is their base. It doesn't have a strong smell. Man, I feel like it smells like something. It's not a strong smell though. I have to really bring it up close to smell it. Standard length brush, nice and thick consistency. It's really nice and smooth to brush on. Got a little bit there. Really nice, no separation, no receding. Just making sure I don't have too much because this brush was really nicely saturated. And you really want to apply thin coats. You don't need to apply thick coats, especially for the base. Perfect. Very nice. Let's go ahead and cure. Yeah, this, oh my gosh, maybe it's like an airhead. This smells kind of like candy. The base coat doesn't smell exactly like this one, but their polish, I was taking a whiff of it yesterday and I could not figure it out, but it kind of smells a little bit like candy. Their color looks really nice and thick in consistency. Ooh, this green is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, who loves greens like I do? Let me tell you, all of the off shades of green, the brownish tone greens, all of those greens are awesome. Let me lift my finger up. Oh my God. Okay, well, it brushes on beautifully. The coat, for the first coat, it's good coverage. I can definitely tell that with 2 coats, it should be enough. And then maybe on nail beds that are a little more rigid or have dark spots, maybe you'd need a 3rd, but it's looking pretty good just on the first coat. Oh my gosh, this color is so adorable. Okay, let's cure it. All right, we're cured. Let's go ahead and go for coat number 2. Beautiful color. Yeah, 2 coats is pretty good. You might need a 3rd coat for some nail plates. Oh, I'm in love. Okay, let's cure it. But let's skip on through to those top coats. All right, so here we go. Look how cute. Adorable. Alrighty, so we're gonna go ahead and go for the top coat. I'm gonna do both glossy and matte. Might as well. I love mixing up the 2 of those. Alright, so this one is the matte top coat. As always, the matte top coat's usually kind of cloudy. Has good thickness, not too thick. Looking nice and smooth. Let's do this one. With matte, you want to make sure that you're going all around the edges, that you have enough product so it's not streaky. This one brushes on really, really good, no issues. Overall consistency of their polish, including their colors and their base, are pretty nice and smooth. Let's do the clear. Thumb's still not runny. Awesome. I kind of went a little too heavy over here. Let me tell you, 12 years doing my own nails and I still got to be extra careful. All right, let's cure. Let's see if we have a heat spike on the matte, because a lot of matte top coats do. The Wildflowers Intense. Well, I don't feel any heat spike whatsoever, so that's a good thing. Let's wait for it to cure and see how that comes out. All right, here we go. Oh, ooh, very nice. Very nice and matte. I like it. Very nice and matte. Oh my goodness, this manicure's super cute. Now is this? Yeah, we gotta wipe that off. The top matte note. Let's give them a little wipe. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so cute. Now I'm actually gonna add a little something here, and we still need to do my other hand with my trusty gelish. But overall, oh, and I took a little whiff of the top coats. They both have a super, super soft smell, and it kind of smells like really light paint or marker. It's actually a little pleasant because I like the paint and marker smells. But their overall odor is not really intense at all. You really have to bring it up, but oh my goodness. All right, I gotta finish this up. So overall, first impressions, really great. There's no strong odor, which is great. It actually even has a little bit of a candy smell, always nice. There was no heat spikes that the client needed to worry about. Consistency overall of the polish was really nice. The application was very smooth. The brush application was really smooth, which is nice. It's very pleasant. And overall looked really great. I had no concerns, no issues. It applied and had just overall a really, really great first impression. The matte was really nice and matte, which is awesome. So I'm really excited and have my hopes up on how this is gonna go. And now, as always, I have 2 other clients that are testing out. So I have my lovely nurse with her beautiful yellow manicures. First impression was amazing, no sensitivity or heat spikes, and overall manicure looks exactly the same. So you really can't tell which hand is which. Now, my 3rd client is my lovely Luisa. Her nails, let me just say, the manicure was absolutely gorgeous. Nails look absolutely cute, beautiful and shiny. This is a new mom-to-be, so she's definitely gonna be working hard on these nails. So first impressions are done. All of my clients have their manicures on. Now let's see what these manicure looks like after a couple of weeks. So first up is my new mom, Luisa. She's had her manicure for 2 weeks. As you can tell, the nails are absolutely perfect. Still shiny, still glossy. You can't really tell any difference whatsoever between the two. Now, there was no staining at all happening. So in this manicure, we can't really tell whether or not one is less or more stain resistant than the other, but overall the manicure looks cute. And let me just say that I was very sad to have to soak this manicure off. I hate when that happens, when it's so cute that you don't want to take it off, but they gotta go and new cute ones have to come in. My next client, she is my nurse. Melissa usually comes back every 3 weeks with her manicures. So this is after 3 weeks of wear. She generally comes back with her nails super, super perfect. And I did notice with this manicure that she has 2 little chips on her Nail Addict side and she has a little chip on her gelish side. So the fact that she had a chip at all was definitely a first in a long time. I feel like I can't even remember her having a chip, but I can definitely tell that she was going hard. And seeing that the chip happened not just on one nail, there was just, excessive handling of the manicure over the last couple of weeks for her. What I do want to point out though is that even though she does have those little tiny chips, her manicure is still intact. There's no separating from the nail where the chip happened. There's no lifting. It's just missing a tiny little piece. Now on her manicure, I can definitely tell that there is a slight discoloring on the gelish side versus the Nail Addict side that still looks super, super clear and glossy. So from her manicure, I would go ahead and say that an observation is the Nail Addicts definitely was slightly more stain resistant than the gelish, because I could just see a little bit of discoloring in those tips that I don't see on the Nail Addict side, which is a great thing. And last but not least are my nails. Now this is almost 4 weeks of me having the nails done. You can see that they are absolutely perfect, no lifting. I have no difference in the gloss or the matte. They pretty much look like they are the same product, the same hand. You can't really tell a difference. I personally never struggle with stains on my nails, so I can't tell you whether or not there was a difference, because none of my nails are stained at all, not even on the gelish side. But I'm really happy to see that I was able to rely on this product as I do with my gelish, because I generally do wear my manicures for 4 to 6 weeks sometimes if I'm being lazy. So overall, great first impression. And over the wear 2, 3, and 4 weeks, I would definitely say that this product can definitely hold up. It was really great. It seems like it could be a tiny bit nail resistant compared to the gelish, although we didn't really have a lot of stains happening to be able to really determine that. But it does look like it stained less on my client's beautiful yellow nails. Now, when it came to the soaking off of the product, I didn't notice any difference whatsoever. They both soaked off just as smooth as the other one. So there was definitely no difference there. So Nail Addicts overall, passing grade. Happy with the first impression, happy with the wear. It definitely holds up and something that you'd be able to rely on in your shop, or if you're a DIYer. Definitely a great product. I'll be leaving their link down below, as well as a discount code. You can use Oh My Gel at checkout and save up to, I think, like 45%, which is a pretty big discount. That's really awesome. Thank you, Nail Addict, for hooking up the viewers with that. If you guys have any questions on the product, please make sure to comment down below. Anyone that's already used the product, I'd love to hear from you. And as always, thank you everyone so much for tuning in, subscribing, sharing, liking, all of the above. I do appreciate it. I have so much more work to do and so much more information to share with you, and I can't wait to get to it all. So I will see you guys on the next one. Have a good day. Bye.